Your boy back, your boy back. That's all you gotta do, man. Pre-post workout, salmon in a pack. Bust it open. Get your fork and just throw it in there, man. That's all you gotta do, bro. Look at that. Simple stuff. Simple. That's all you gotta do, champ. I got the zesty can, coconut water. Keep it simple. Don't make it hard. Keep everything simple. Don't make things hard. Don't make things hard. Eat how you want to look. Eat how you want to feel. Stop making things hard. Simple. Gainz. Gainz. You can't gain no weight like this. Ten toes down. Eat this confidence food. This is dedication food, commitment food, discipline food, consistency food. It's that good food. Good food. I'm out.